Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so recently I just got a request to do a look. This is from a video that I shot for like over a year ago, and this is what the look looks like. Someone asked me to recreate it, and I'm gonna try to do that today. I really didn't know what colors I used, and so I just kind of had to guess. But the funny part is the first negative comment I ever got was on this video, and it was somebody saying that I wore too much makeup. So I thought that was funny. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and try to recreate that look, and this is what it came out to, and that's just guessing on what colors I used. It was random. I just picked through a big palette that I had, and I'll show you what colors during the video. So if you want to see this eye makeup look, then just go ahead and keep watching. Alright guys, so this is my final look. I hope you like it. Don't forget to leave me a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. And leave me any kind of recommendations down below of things that you would want to see. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.